Hi, this is Dr. Liu. In this video, I will show you how to install MicroPython on the microcontroller board. So when you first get this little microcontroller board, KB2040 from Adafruit, it doesn't have MicroPython. So if you plug it into your USB, uh, okay, here's what happens. So there's a chime that USB feels there's something connected to it, and I'll use my webcam. Hopefully this is good enough. Okay, here we go. We have a little rainbow color light. Okay, so that's a test code that's put into the board. So that is just indicating that the board is working, but it doesn't have MicroPython. We don't have this need for rainbow color. So let's go ahead and install MicroPython. So what I have here is D2L, Lab 2 inclined plane. And besides content for inclined planes, here's a couple of things. These two things you need to download. Let's go ahead and download them. And that. Um, okay, good. So we'll go ahead and okay, here is this is the file. We're going to drag and drop it onto the board. So let's go ahead and have a quick look. Okay, the board doesn't really show up as a drive yet. So let's see what's going on here. Um, okay, there's a reset button. There's a little button next to the rainbow color LED. So I press it, resets, and release it. Okay, doesn't look like it's showing a drive. So I'll hold on to the other button, which is the boot button, and I'll hold on to it and I'll tap the button next to the rainbow color LED. There we go. Okay. So just in case you don't see this drive, that's all you have to do. Hold on to the button further away from the LED, the rainbow LED. Hold on to that, and then tap the button next to the rainbow LED, and then it'll show another drive, and then you can let go of the first button you were holding. So here it is. This drive it claims to be 127 megabytes. It's not, but just click into it. There's a couple of things you can read, but you don't have to. So all you have to do is drag and drop that firmware into this RPI Raspberry Pi Raspberry RP2. So this it looks like a flash drive. So click into it, and here is that firmware that I downloaded, Adafruit Feather RP2040. It also works on Adafruit KB2040. So just drag and drop. Okay. After copying this drive D will disappear. Okay, there we go. So it disappeared. And I got this LED that's just left on. It looks like orange. It doesn't cycle through the color anymore. But if you don't like it, you can certainly just um, disconnect from USB, reconnect it. If you power it off, yeah, that color LED will turn off. Okay, so now what I have is MicroPython. I have it installed. So fire up Thonny either by clicking the icon or go with CMD command prompt, and you can spell out Python -m Thonny. Hit enter. It'll run Thonny. Okay, here we go. And it says unable to connect 21. So that was another board I have. I think I have too many of these connections. So just click the bottom right corner and pick the right 36. Okay. I think I have way too many of these things. I need to delete some of these port numbers. Okay, so go ahead, select the RP2040 and click that. And now we're connected. This is not the most up-to-date firmware. This is from late 2024. and I've been using this with no problem at all. So why changing it? Maybe next year I'll change it if there's some major improvement or additional features. But this is working pretty well. Okay, so now we have MicroPython. There's a next thing we don't want to do is we want to install some libraries so that we can use certain accelerometers and such. So that will be installed here. This portion is the your local computers folders. This portion is your Raspberry Pi 2040. It doesn't really have anything. It basically has nothing here. I can refresh. Okay, doesn't have anything, right? So let's go back to this page here. I already downloaded the library, which is a compressed file. So let's go to that download. And this I don't really need anymore. I can delete it. I have it in a different folder. Okay, I think I have a couple of these copies. Okay, so even delete that. I don't need these copies and download. You could keep it for yourself. So lib, let's see, did I download a zip file? There we go. So lib, um, I'll just right click and mm, let's see. There's open with. I'll click show more options. There should be and extract all. Okay, so I'll click extract all. I don't have to show content, but maybe that's easier. I'll pop up another file explorer. Okay, here we go. So that's what it is. It's under lib. There's a bunch of these drivers and files. So all you have to do is to copy all these onto your microcontroller. So here's what I'll do. This is the folder I have under my name, download lib. So I'll go to Thani. I'll just go and I know where my folder is located. Download. Let's see, downloads. Hmm, oh, I see. It's actually not really this download. Is in OneDrive here. Okay, that's just for me. It's probably easier if you just put that unzip folder on your desktop so you can easily navigate to it. So I have download right here. Lib. Okay, so there's another lib. I want to transfer this lib because if I open it up with the triangle here, this is the whole structure I want here, but under a lib folder name. So this whole thing needs to be transferred over. Right click on it, upload to dash. That means root folder on your device. So just go ahead and do it. This will take a moment because the transfer is relatively slow. These are tiny, teeny little devices. They're not your USB 3.1 USB flash drives. These are smaller devices. See, that takes maybe 15 seconds to complete. Okay, so once it's complete, you'll see the folder right at the kind of the root folder. If you open it up, it's all over here. So now you should be able to import these libraries. I can give it a try if I want. If I import, I'll just type here. This is the MicroPython's prompt. Um, okay, I don't need to type the .py. Just type everything else, the full name without the extension or the dot. There we go. Takes a moment, so imports it. Okay, that's good. So all these folders are in the right places. You should be able to write your code here now. So now this is installed.